It's 2 a.m. Your rent is due tomorrow. You have $8.72 in your bank account and no idea where your money went this month. Before you budget anything, you need to know your exact income, not just your salary, what actually hits your bank after taxes and deductions. Track net income, not gross. For 1 month, write down every single thing you spend money on. Every coffee, every tip, every late night delivery. This gives you your first reality check, and it might sting. But clarity is power. The classic method is 50-30-20. 50% needs rent food bills, 30% wants fun entertainment, 20% savings or debt payoff. But if you're broke, try this. 60% needs rent, food, bills, 10% wants fun, entertainment, 30% to survival savings or debt. You can still enjoy life, just not on autopilot. Cutting expenses doesn't mean cutting happiness. Cancel unused subscriptions. Cook at home 3 nights a week. Sell something you don't use. You just gave yourself a $300 raise without working more. Set up auto transfers the day your paycheck hits. Even if it's just $20 into savings or debt, automation removes temptation. You'll never forget to save because it's done for you. Most people budget monthly, but that's too long when you're broke. Think smaller, to budget every 7 days. When you track money weekly, you catch disasters before they happen. Zero-based budgeting means every dollar has a job. You don't leave $100 sitting there. You assign it, even if it's to fund money or next month's rent. Example, rent, $800, food, $200, gas, $100, emergency fund, $50, leftover, $20. For fun or buffer, total $1,170. If you know where your money is going, it can't just disappear. Budgeting when you're broke isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. $1 at a time. Like and subscribe for more.